All right, welcome to week 7, module 1. We are going to continue talking about independence movements and neocolonialism, but we're no longer going to be looking specifically at India, but now also looking at other Asian countries as well as some African countries and the resistance movements that were in those continents. So our objective for today is that students will be able to analyze primary source documents and answer text-dependent questions regarding new colonialism. The essential question, and this is the essential question that we're going to have for all 3 modules this week, is why would formerly colonized nations want to resist the control of European nations? Full disclosure, this week you are going to write an SCR, not a DBQ, an SCR, and this is going to be the prompt that you are answering. Okay, but before we get into that, let's go through the do now / language activity for you guys today. What you're going to do is think about the word colonialism, which has been a vocab word of ours since Try 1. You're going to remember what it is, and if you don't remember, you can click on this blue and it will pop up. But then also what you're going to do are look at these 5 different words that all have the root of colony or colonialism, right? And you are going to read each one of those and then plug in where that specific word goes, okay? So you're going to do that for each word. And then when you're done with that, you're going to answer question number 7 here. Why would smaller countries who have been colonized want to resist and fight back? So why would the countries that are being imperialized by Great Britain, France, Germany, right, even the United States, why would those smaller countries want to fight back? And you're going to use your prior knowledge, but then also the do now to help you with that.